Welcome to the channel. Today, we're looking at the Angelo Smart Wired Video Doorbell Apartment Intercom system. This impressive system boasts a 7-inch full-touch monitor, providing crystal-clear visuals and intuitive control. The 1080p doorbell camera features a wide 160 degrees viewing angle and night vision, ensuring you never miss a visitor, day or night. Even in low light conditions, you'll get a sharp, detailed image. Beyond the exceptional visual quality, this system offers incredible convenience. Unlock your door in 3 ways, with an IC card, via the app, or directly from the monitor, providing ultimate flexibility for you and your family. Plus, it includes 3 monitors for complete home coverage. The system incorporates motion detection and automatic recording. When motion is detected, or the doorbell is pressed, the camera automatically captures video or snapshots, storing them securely on a provided 32GB microSD card. This gives you peace of mind knowing everything is recorded. Enjoy seamless 2-way audio communication. Whether you're at home or away, you can speak to visitors directly through your monitor or smartphone app, ensuring you never miss an important conversation. You can also connect to all 12 volts electronic locks. The system requires wiring between the monitor and doorbell, but a generous 3M extension cable is included. For longer distances, standard RVV4, Cat5, or Cat6 cables can be used, extending the reach up to 200 meters between the monitor and doorbell. The main monitor connects to your home Wi-Fi, letting you monitor your door from anywhere via the app. This smart home security system is available at a reasonable price and offers a comprehensive solution for home security. It is extremely easy to use and simple to install. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more reviews.